Hey guys, welcome back to ZanderGdrive, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Whether you're already a sticker enthusiast or you're looking for a unique niche to start your own small business, starting a sticker business offers a variety of opportunities. The sticker market is larger than you might think, and just about anyone can learn to create stickers. Not only are they a popular hobby for collectors of all ages, but stickers are a valuable marketing tool used by businesses around the world. Contrary to popular belief, stickers aren't just meant to decorate your laptop or phone case. Many stickers are outsourced for small and large businesses in a wide range of industries. The sky's the limit when it comes to what stickers are used for, and as more and more people discover the joy and convenience of stickers, the sticker industry will only continue to grow, presenting a great opportunity for you to earn some great cash, especially if you're able to make professional stickers for one of the major target markets out there. There are various ways to make stickers, including designing them in digital format for people to use on their tablets, phones, and laptops, selling designs for people to then print on sticker paper to print at home, and making physical printed stickers to sell and mail to people. Each has its pros and cons, so it's important to do your research to see what will work best for you. For example, digital and printable stickers are a lot less hands-off, as once you create the designs, you're basically done. You need to identify a unique aesthetic to stand out in the marketplace. Consider your hobbies, favorite artistic styles, codes representing your personality, and communities you're a part of to get ideas for your stickers.
How I make stickers for our business. How I make my own stickers. Go to Pinterest and search printable stickers. Now print. Cut.
Here's a quick tutorial on how to make a Cricut sticker sheet. You're going to draw your sticker layer separate from your background layer. Now turn off your sticker layer and import your background layer as a PNG. Do the same. Turn off your background layer and then import your sticker layer. In Cricut Design Space, you're going to put the sticker on top of the background and resize it to whatever you like. Now duplicate the background and change it to basic cut. After that, you're going to duplicate that another 3 times and then align it to the top corner. Now send the original 2 layers back to the front. After that is done, select everything and group it. Now you're going to go ahead and rotate that sticker sheet 90 degrees. Finally, you're going to duplicate the sticker sheet and attach both of them. The setting I use for my sticker sheet is the adhesive foil at default setting. After it's done cutting, you can round the sticker sheet at the end.
I'm going to show you how to make magnets just like these ones. Print out your design on sticker paper, and I laminated the top. Then you have your magnetic sheet. One side will be sticky, and that's the side we're going to put the sticker paper onto. Peel off the backing, and then also peel off the backing on the sticker sheet, and then you're going to put the 2 together. I cut these out on my Cricut, so I use the magnetic sheet setting with the deep point blade. After it's done cutting, you have magnets. Let me know if you have questions.
How do you make stickers? I don't even know where to start.
Today I'm going to show you in a detailed video how I make stickers. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload my design on Cricut Design Space. After my design is on there, I'm going to create a square in the dimensions of 6.75 by 9.25. Completely optional, you can change the color of your square if it's easier to see. The next thing you're going to do is that you're going to grab your design and you're going to copy and paste it as much as you can within this border square limit. The reason why we have to place our design within this border limit is because this is as big as Cricut will allow us to print on. I know there are some updated machines that allow bigger printing space, but mine still doesn't have that option available yet. You want to place your design as many times as you can inside of this box without overlapping too close to the edge. Once I have everything the way that I like it, I'm going to grab the square and I'm going to delete it. I've selected everything, attached my project together, and flattened it entirely. Once you're done, this will be a really good time to save your project. On the right hand sidebar, you should see that your project is one piece and it's not like individual stickers. So once your project is saved, you're going to go on to the next screen, and this is how you should place the paper on the Cricut mat. Here I am getting ready to print my project. I'm going to add bleed to the edge and use my system dialog. If I'm making normal stickers, I'm going to use the setting glossy photo paper to print on. And this is what they look like in the end. They're completely dry already. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to laminate my stickers, and this is where things kind of get a little complicated. Today I'm going to be using Avery's self-lamination sheets. I get these from Amazon. These lamination sheets are really big, so I'm just cutting to size for my project. And every project is different, so don't cut these beforehand. Recently, I've been laminating my stickers, and they are so sturdy and they're so beautiful. Technically, you don't have to laminate your stickers, but if you would like them to be waterproof or water resistant, this is a great way to do that. So this is how I laminate my stickers. There are so many different techniques. I feel like mine's really complicated, but I basically pull the back sheet as I am squeegeeing the front and just kind of like peeling the paper a little bit at a time in the back. I'm using a squeegee that I got from Amazon and really just trying to get all those air bubbles out. If you don't want any air bubbles in your stickers, you have to really squeegee the sticker down while the laminate is on top of it. All I've done is that I've put it into my machine. I usually like to turn off any overhead lighting to get these perfect stickers right here. Another thing that I like to do is that I like to flip my mat upside down and peel my stickers this way. This helps with them not bending. So here is the end result. I think the stickers turned out to be so amazing and they're extremely sturdy.
This is how I make stickers with my Cricut. I start by creating my design in an app called Procreate, and then I save the image as a PNG to my iPad. In Design Space, I upload it as a print then cut image, and then I name it so I'm able to find it later. I usually like my stickers to be around 3 inches, so that's what I sized these at. When I'm ready to print, I use Cricut's printable vinyl. I found it to be the nicest, smoothest one for making stickers. I really like it. After printing, I add another layer of protection. I use these self-seal laminating sheets. These help protect against water, and I think it gives a really nice shine. When it's on, I spend some time smoothing it out to make sure that there are no air bubbles and everything looks nice and flat. I attach to my mat and set my material as photo paper. My Cricut cuts it out, and voila, I have my final product.
Want to know how you can make your stickers waterproof, weatherproof, and scratch-proof? Simply apply your contact paper directly to your sticker sheet, and voila, you've got waterproof, weatherproof, and scratch-proof stickers. Enjoy!